What is the present moment? This. No words can get you any closer to the present moment than silence. No matter how much we talk about the present moment, we never get closer to it because all words and concepts are always in the present moment. We're just creating noise and noise and noise on top of what exists. The present moment is what exists all around you. It's everywhere. And so the present moment is this. And if this is all there is, then you might wonder, what is the past? What is the future? Because, isn't the present moment occurring in time? Well, let's think about it. What is the past, really? Think about it. What is the past? Oh. Me snapping earlier. The sound of that snap. That is a thought. It's a memory that is happening right now. So you can't escape the present moment because that's where life happens. That's where the past happens. That's where the future happens. The future is a lot easier to get that it's an illusion because the future, hasn't happened yet. Now, how do I know that? Well, the present moment, like you can't, if it already happened, then it would not be the future anymore. It would be the past. But you can get lost in your mind of the past and future, and that's where a lot of suffering comes from. You'll hear that from Buddhism, where all suffering is really just being lost in your mind of time, of past and future. And what meditation does is it helps you to be in the present moment, be in the now, be where peace is, because peace is found here and now. True happiness is found here and now. Not in the future. It's found now, because you'll never get there. Tomorrow never comes, and yesterday, it's gone. It doesn't exist anymore. But as a thought, right now, it makes me wonder, did yesterday even happen? Does it even exist? It's a big question mark, because the only thing we know of is right now. And if you didn't have any memories, if you lost all your memories right now, how would you know of anything? It would almost be like the past never existed. Yeah, so it's an interesting, it's interesting to think about, the past and future, like our mind is constructing the past. The mind is constructing the past and the future. So you press play on this video. That's an idea and thought that's happening now. And the idea that you will die or go out or the sun will rise tomorrow, that's also an idea that's happening now. So gotta kind of sit in silence and observe the now, and just bask in the silence and observe it, and just realize that what existence means is now.